Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a Visa gift card to Google Wallet. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the Add to Wallet button at the bottom right. You'll see four options: Payment Card, Transit Pass, Loyalty Card, and Gift Card. Now, since a Visa gift card works like a debit or credit card, you need to choose payment card, not gift card. Select Add a debit or credit card. Enter the details from your Visa gift card, the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once entered, confirm and save it. If supported, your Visa gift card will now appear in Google Wallet and can be used just like any other card when paying with Google Pay. Important note, if it doesn't let you add the card, it may mean that specific Visa gift card isn't supported by Google Wallet yet. And that's it. That's how to add a Visa gift card to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.